नमस्कार, स्वागत है आपका विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में। सोमवार का दिन है और आज के इस विजन ऑफ एशिया के अंक में हम आपको लिए चलेंगे अटलांटा, जहां आपी की 39th एनुअल कन्वेंशन पर प्रस्तुत करेंगे एक रिपोर्ट। और आज के दिन भारत के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा पर देशवासियों को बधाई दी है और उमिया धाम न्यू जर्सी में भी रथ यात्रा का आयोजन किया गया था। उस पर एक रिपोर्ट आप तक पहुंचाने के अलावा आज के कार्यक्रम में आप देखेंगे उस बातचीत का अंश जिसमें कृतज्ञता, बीइंग ग्रेटफुल विषय पर अपने विचार हमारे साथ बांटे प्रोफेसर संजय पटेल ने। तो ये सब आपकी प्रतीक्षा करेगा इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। बने रहे हमारे साथ। नमस्कार फिर एक बार आपको और स्वागत है आपका विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में। अब हम प्रारंभ कर रहे हैं एक खास रिपोर्ट अटलांटा से, जहां 39th एनुअल कन्वेंशन आपी की जुलाई के महीने में प्रारंभिक सप्ताह में आयोजित हुई 2 से 5 जुलाई तक। और अब तक यानी पिछले बरस विशेष रूप से इस महत्वपूर्ण ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को नेतृत्व प्रदान किया था डॉक्टर सुधाकर ने, और अब कमान संभाली है डॉक्टर अनुपमा गोटी मुकुला ने। तो ये सब और साथ ही जब डांस देखने को मिलता है डॉक्टर्स का तो क्या नज़ारा बनता है वो भी आप देखेंगे हमारी इस खास रिपोर्ट में।
From the young physician's perspective, I cannot thank you enough for your support and guidance over the past year. You have somehow managed to stay calm throughout every single hurdle that was thrown in your direction, and not just by staying calm and keeping everybody else calm, but you taught us how to properly manage and lead an organization. And that is what we aspire to be. Thank you so much and good luck.
You are before me.
Sudhakar, final hug as a president. Wish you a lot more success in your life than what you did so far. Good job. Everything you did in a quite unique way, and hats off to you. Thanks.
Hi, Dr. Gupta, BOT, who has known Sudhakar for almost more than a decade. And I remember the conversation I had when we were starting the presidency. I won't repeat it here, but I admire your leadership, your vision, and the success you have. I want to congratulate you and wish you more success in the coming life. Thank you, my friend. I'm always there for you.
Now,
That's good. That's what I got.
this is Bachchu Singh from Florida. I have known Sudhakar for much longer time than Api, I think from Florida. Before he was a young, dashing gastroenterologist from University of Miami. And then I all of a sudden meet him in one of the Api trips. He was giving us a long or something to chew on, and find out that he want to run for the presidency. I mean, okay, come and we'll support you. And long behold, he has been a wonderful president. He called me a week ago. I was not planning it. Not only one, but double registration happened. My daughter and wife both registered me for the convention. And I'm here and I just came in, hey, give my money back for one registration. That's what happened. But wonderful, Sudhakar, to know you, and you are a good friend, and we'll keep it up. It's never ending.
Thank you very much for your all love and affection and support towards me for the last 1 year, particularly this year as during my presidency. It is a difficult year, but because all your support, I pulled through and brought API in a better shape too. Because API is now known everywhere in the world. Thank you very much. And my BOT chair, Sajani Shah, and my Anupama Gautamukala, and Amit, Satish, Ravi, and everybody, Suresh, everybody, the support, and my advisors, Rangareddy, Narendra Kumar, Shankur Rao, and I forgot the fourth guy. Thank you very much, all your support, overwhelming. Thank you, and put me on the right track. My brother, the convention chair, Dr. Gangasani, brother, without you I can't move. I tell you what, he the one actually did everything. I am enjoying the glory here, actually, that I can say that. Raghu Lalabhattu, and Shyamala, and all my wife, everybody, we took it very personally. I tell you guys, they did it because of me. Thank you all your support coming and join me today, and we're going to have a great time. Enjoy it.
We are in the beautiful city of Atlanta enjoying our experience with API 39th convention. Today we had a BOT luncheon and some award ceremonies, and it was great. Very well done, polished organization, and so far food is good, people are great, and everything is going very well. I hope we do another convention in San Antonio next year, and I hope everybody shows up.
And another historical event is this convention happened at a short notice. Due to the circumstances beyond our control, API convention was held here on a short notice. But the team here, Atlanta team, Dr. Srini Gangasani, Dr. Raghu Lalabhattu, and the local GAPI chapter, along with API leaders, performed a tremendous job bringing all the resources together and providing a great hospitality. And we are having a great time over the last 2 days. And tonight is the finale, and tomorrow is a new day. And it's my pleasure and an honor to all you to welcome to API convention in the next year in San Antonio and following year in Pittsburgh. Thank you again. Have a good day. Happy 4th of July.
So we had another busy day today, full of activities, educational, entertainment, awards, BOT reception. And now we are going inside for the change of guard ceremony. One president is going to take over from the other. So again, in this COVID time, this has been very challenging, but we had a great turnout, about 500-600 people meeting after the opening of COVID, and all the doctors celebrating post-COVID era and post-COVID, all the activities that were done, all the great work that was done by API. Thank you, ITV Gold. We appreciate you.
Our regional directors worked very hard during this pandemic. They participated, called a task force, COVID task force. Each individual did their job, made this pandemic help very easy for the president. Thank you all being with us this year. Thank you. Dr. Madhavaram, Dr. Pandey, Malati ji, Reddy Saab, Gandhi ji, Sumal, Sunil, Bhushan, of course, my good friend Sujit, Rao garu. How are you? Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. He took time. He wrote 100 letters to 100 senators. And he behind me, nominated me for Pravasa Bharati Samaj. Thank you very much for all your help. Thank you, thank you. Dr. Udaya Shivangi. I don't know. She does more for the organization. I told her when, there are two journals. One is the scientific journal we're releasing this year. The other one is the regular journal where we have stories and mix up. She did the journal this year for me. I told Udaya a task, make sure it's zero cost for the organization. And she did it. Thank you very much. Thank you. The way he talks a little bit harsh, but heart is completely softened. Okay, he's completely softened. A good man with a heart. He is the chair of the community outreach program. Each program viewed by the GTV, millions of community in US and overseas. Thank you very much for being a show.
Thank you, Sudhakar. It was a pleasure. I want to thank API, Executive Committee, Board, and President Sudhakar. We worked very well for 1 year. I started the blanket program for API first time, and during his term, Sudhakar, it became very successful, and many chapters participated in that program. I also did the plasma donation program. I was the co-chair for that when Suresh Reddy was. With him, I worked for the outreach program as a chair, and that was a very successful, and we brought very big, famous speaker and academic people. Thank you, Sudhakar. Wish you well, and I think API has come to a different level. Thank you.
Dr. Kishore Bellamkonda.
What a dynamic Anupama. I think I've known Anupama for at least now 10 years now. Every year I can see she's going one level up and up and up. I know she can do wonders next year. Yeah.
Dr. Sajini Shah. Wow. I don't know, always the president always says, she's a partner of crime, okay? That's what they say. Sajini, awesome. We worked together as a team and made this 1 year very fruitful and more work done this year. Thank you very much, Sari, all your support. Thank you. Thank you.
I came to attend 39th Annual Convention of National API in Atlanta. Today is July 4th, and this API convention has been going very smooth. About 550, 600 people came. It was the first live event after the COVID. It was well organized, and we are very happy that this convention was successful.
This convention has been successful, though it has attendance of only about 550 people. But still, it feels like our life is getting back to normal, and it's a new dawn in the life of physicians as well as the American people. We are looking forward for the upcoming year. Dr. Anupama Guttumukala has taken over the charge tonight, and I think upcoming year is going to be very exciting. She's a very capable leader, and under her leadership, API will reach new heights. In last 1 year, API has done tremendous work in sending COVID help to India, as well as we have done a lot of work ourselves from New York region. We send 4,000 oxygen concentrators, oxygen plants, ambulances have been sent to India. We are creating community isolation centers in partnership with Ekal Vidyalaya and Will Global Foundation. As you know, there are Ekal Vidyalaya has 100,000 schools, in rural area, and we will be actually partnering with Ekal Vidyalaya and Wills Foundation to create community isolation centers. So that is the plan for the future, and we'll continue to work.
We've had a wonderful year despite the crisis that our country went through with COVID and the second surge. We were able to bring our membership together strong, raising over $5 million, finding resources through our network and getting the necessary resources to India. We are so lucky and so proud of the Executive Committee, the Board of Trustees, YPS and MSRF to come together today to meet on our annual convention, see our old family and our old friends and celebrate together. We've lost many loved ones this year and last year, and we will always remember them, and we look forward to their happier times. Thank you so much.
I also would like to really mention Dr. Sudhir Parikh's contribution in API. I have been in America for now 53 years. I have known Sudhir for a long time. Not only for API, but any philanthropic work, whether it is a religious work, whether it is encouraging young students to excel in academic achievement, whether it is Indo-US relationship, or any community activity, Sudhir and Sudhaben has always been there. They have been mentor for many people, and I would like to once again congratulate my very dear friend Padma Shri Sudhir Parikh for his gallant work in United States and raising the bar and image of Indian community. Thank you very much.
I go to Rutgers Robert Wood Johnson Medical School, and today I'm really honored and privileged to have won the Medical Student Scholarship Award from API. And this is, such a testament to the spirit of API and the resilience that we are able to have this event today. And I truly feel honored to have won this award. I'm really grateful to the Women's Forum for giving me this award, and to everyone who has brought me to this point, including my parents and my family. And I promise that, this award will go to a great cause. We've seen the willpower and the strength of doctors and the healthcare field during this very difficult time. And, this money and this award for me and my fellow award winners will go towards the next generation of healthcare heroes.
स्वागत है आपका विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम में। ये कार्यक्रम सोम, मंगल, बुध और गुरुवार को शाम 8 बजे आपकी सेवा में प्रस्तुत किया जाता है ITV गोल्ड पर, और इसका साप्ताहिक विशेष अंक रविवार को सुबह 11 बजे लेकर हाजिर होते हैं हम। आपके सहयोग के लिए, आपके सपोर्ट के लिए आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हुए निवेदन, बने रहें हमारे साथ, जारी रहेगा विजन ऑफ एशिया इस छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद। जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा का स्मरण करते हुए न्यू जर्सी स्थित उमिया धाम में भी रथ यात्रा का आयोजन किया गया, और अब प्रस्तुत है उस रथ यात्रा पर हमारी एक खास रिपोर्ट।
મંદિરના ધામમાં અમારા ચોકમાં આનંદ આનંદ થઈ ગયો છે. જગન્નાથજી, બળદેવજી, સુભદ્રાજી બધા ત્રણેય જણનો રથ કાઢ્યો છે અને રથયાત્રાનો આનંદ લઈએ છીએ.
આજે રથયાત્રા છે અને ઉમિયાધામ એડિશનમાં રથયાત્રાનું આયોજન કરવામાં આવ્યું છે તો ઘણા ભક્તો આનંદ લઈ રહ્યા છે તો તમે પણ એડિશન ઉમિયાધામ પધારો. જય જગન્નાથ મહારાજ.
જગન્નો નાથ એવો ભગવાન દ્વારિકાધીશ. જગન્નાથ આજે નગરની યાત્રા આ ચતુર્માસના પ્રારંભે ભક્તોની અને નગરજનોની ખબર અંતર પૂછવા માટે પોતાના જ્યેષ્ઠ ભ્રાતા બલભદ્ર અને બહેની સુભદ્રાની સાથે મોસાળથી ભગવાન દ્વારિકામાં પધારી રહ્યા છીએ અને એ સમયે ભગવાનના સ્વાગત અને ભગવાનના દર્શનને માટે સમસ્ત પ્રજાજનો ઉમટ્યા છે. સૌને જય જગન્નાથ, જય દ્વારિકાધીશ.
विजन ऑफ एशिया में आइए अब आपको लिए चलते हैं उस खास मुलाकात की तरफ जिसमें प्रोफेसर संजय पटेल ने हमारे जीवन में ग्रेटफुल होने के महत्व के बारे में कुछ महत्वपूर्ण चिंतन से हमको समृद्ध किया. सो हियर इज प्रोफेसर संजय पटेल, थीम बीइंग ग्रेटफुल. Let me begin with the simple question. When we say knowledge, we mean different things. Though we feel that we are referring to the same space by the use of the term knowledge. So I wouldn't say that there has to be only one definition, but let's hear your definition of knowledge.
Sure. I think many times people get confused between knowledge and information. Right? In true sense, knowledge is that which can transform an individual's character, develop it in multifacets. It can develop the emotional state. It can develop the characteristics. It can help them transcend into even a spiritual life. Information, something simple as, we say from the Bhagavad Gita, God is within me, right? If God is within me, it's just information. But when it touches our mindset and we apply the knowledge, or if God is within me, I can live a self-respectful life, then that information transforms into knowledge, and it can have an incredible impact on an individual and the way he views society. Sometimes information is like, knowing who's the first man on moon, Neil Armstrong. That information is not necessarily knowledge. It is just some facts and figures. But knowledge has to have weight behind it in the sense that it's been used timeless. It transcends time. And that knowledge actually is what helps society progress and develop in political sense, economic sense, psychological sense, and even spiritual sense. That is the knowledge we want to have.
और अब आज का विजन ऑफ एशिया वॉइस ऑफ कम्युनिटी कार्यक्रम समाप्त करने से पहले हम आपको याद दिला दें कि आप हमारे कार्यक्रमों के साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए ITV गोल्ड के फेसबुक पेज पर हमारे फ्रेंड बने. ITV गोल्ड के यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ लिखने का क्रम जारी रखें events@itvgold.com पर. अपना ख्याल रखें. हमारा साथ देने के लिए आपका आभार. अशोक व्यास को अनुमति दें. नमस्कार.